Fit height course. Fit height course can help you grow taller. Increase your height naturally. %100% natural safe nutritional supplement. Increase height quickly. Naturally for men and women. Increase height 1.8 inches. Fit height course is a height growth supplement. Which helps people gain extra inches in their height growth, increase height. It is 100% herbal preparation with 100% natural ingredients. This height increase supplement is very much effective. Result oriented in height increase. Height growth. Fit height course is the first and the most effective growing taller supplement. Fit height course is an amazing bones and cartilages builder. It has been proven 100% safe and effective. Fit height course will make your dream reality. Improve your life. Feel healthy and energetic. Get noticed and receive the respect you want and deserve. Be taller and better looking. Fit height course will only boost your natural growth. If you are upset because of your short height, you can come to Tafsir Dwakhana.
Welcome to Tafsir Dwakhana. Dear patient, this is for your kind information. If you want to contact or call to Tafsir Dwakhana, our call time is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Friday off. Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Tafsir. Consultant sexologist alternative medicine. Specialist expert male and female. Infertility chairman Tafsir Patient Welfare Society. 0334-9552889. 0300-9552889, 0321-9552889. You can contact to Taysir Medical Board, Hakims and lady doctors, for consultation about the old complicated and hidden sexual problems, male and female infertility, and all general diseases. Our contact numbers are given below: 0333-5501390, 0323-5501390, for free consultation. Erection stiffness duration, erectile dysfunction, lose erection. Please contact on these numbers: 0332-5607654, 0331-5607654, for free consultation. Regarding penis enlargement treatment, bent penis, curvature penis, small penis, please contact on these numbers: 0337-7007101, 0332-7007101. Email consultation, women health issues, lecorrhea, periods problem, small breast, male and female infertility, and all general height, weight, lose, weight gain. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777696, for female consultation, women health issues, height, lecorrhea, periods problem, small breast size, pregnancy, male and female infertility, all general diseases. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777697, 0332-1500540. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir, 0332-1500548, 0332-1500549, address: Taysir Dawakana and Taysir Herbal Pharma, I-111, Iqbal Road, attached Punjab Bank, near Comedy Chowk, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Websites: www.taysirdawakana.com, www.taysirlabs.com, www.drtariqtaysir.com, www.taysirlab.com, www.taysirherbalpharma.com.